So practice is going well. This is working out well. The new hand switches that I made last week during practice are going well. But the next part of the video goes a bit like this. And what I do is I take the things off and then I push this up. And I start doing some 5-ball juggling. And that's not possible at the moment with this. This is about good for the 4-ball stuff. But what I need to do now is extend this up somehow, test it with 5 balls, and then, yeah, make it so it can extend up, or at least test the idea of extending up, because that was one of my design goals at the start. One of the stretch goals at the start was a 5-ball height option. So that's what I'm going to do today. It's working. Now I need to get somewhere where there's a bit of a high ceiling. Okay, first ever test of the lift. I want to be able to do this. Pop, push, nice. Looks good. And down again, you go pop, and so, here is the 4-ball height. 1, 2, 3, 4-ball height. But when I want to do 5 balls, I've got to do this. Pop. Pop. And then that's 5-ball height. Good stuff. This is way high. It works! Woo! I can press down and it mostly works. So let's just give it a go. Yeah. So that's running around those 2 pulleys. Now the real test is when I push it up, does the... Oh no, it doesn't quite work. Because now, actually it would work I guess if this was more like this. Ah, yeah! So that works there. And then go down, kind of loosens off, then tightens up again, and then works there. Perfect! I am a genius! I'll edit that bit out. Here we go. Yep, it works really well, even though the cable is going in a zigzag direction. And now, pop that, swing it up, and theoretically, oh yeah! And then, I can pop it back down again. Four ball height is good. And now the 5 ball height. It's messy, but it works. Can't remember the pattern. So the 5 ball height version works in pretty much every single way that I want it to. I still need to get some slightly longer cables for me to be able to link up down to the foot pedals, but that's it. So I think pretty much the machine is done, except for the foot pedals connected. We'll see. Anyway, really happy with it. Everything's working. And now, to try it out on stage sometime.